104, question 2 of exercise. Sub question 1. What is goodwill? You'll find it on page 89. Page 89. Look at it. Goodwill is an intangible asset. Do you find meaning of goodwill on that page? Yes. Underline both the definitions. Goodwill is an intangible asset which shows the reputation of a firm in the market. Then you can read the second.
Question.
Second definition.
Goodwill is the value of the activity of firm in respect to profit.
What is this? It is recorded. Goodwill is the value of reputation of a firm in respect to the profit earning over and above the expected profit. By the way, Pajak, what do you mean by profit of the firm? Profit earning over and above the expected profit? Super profit. Profit earning over and above the expected profit means super profit. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Then, page 104, question 2. I am dictating it. It's not there in the textbook. What is the question asked? What is revaluation of goodwill? So I am dictating it right now. At the time of reconstruction of partnership, at the time of reconstruction of partnership, comma, revaluation of all assets and liabilities is done. Revaluation of all assets and liabilities is done, including goodwill. Which is called revaluation of goodwill. Which is called revaluation of goodwill. We'll be studying this in detail in chapter 4. So you'll understand. Okay? Question 3. Which type of asset is goodwill? Intangible. Mention it there itself. Intangible. See that in your exams you don't answer in one word, you answer in one sentence. You mention that goodwill is an intangible asset. Under which heading goodwill is shown in the balance sheet? We will mention non-current assets. Otherwise your teacher may not give you marks. So write down. Goodwill is shown under the heading, inverted commas, non-current assets in the balance sheet. Okay? Now what is capitalized profit? You'll write the formula also and its meaning also. Formula we already know. What is the formula of capitalized profit? Average profit upon expected rate of return into 100. That formula you will be writing it. Beyond that, look at page number 97. At the top paragraph, underline the last sentence. At the top paragraph, underline the last sentence. Capitalized profit means capitalized value of average profit on the basis of expected rate of return. Remember this sentence and write the formula also. Okay. Question 6. What is super profit?
94.
Page number 94. Second sentence and then excess of average profit over the expected profit is called super profit. What is average profit? Here you have to write the formula only. Total profit divided by number of years. Anyone question it? Formula. Okay, questions 7 and 8. You'll write the formulas of average profit and weighted average profit. Right, everyone? Now, question 3. Question 1. Give the meaning of goodwill that we discussed right now. Two meanings we discussed. And explain the factors affecting its valuation, page 89. You find factors affecting its valuation at the bottom. In one line, you will explain it if it is asked in exams. It can come for 3 marks in exams. Like, which is the first one? Nature of business. So underline. Firm earns more profit than the expected profit. Firm earns more profit than the expected profit. Means normally goodwill will appear. Yes, what happened? Normally goodwill will exist only if you are able to earn more profit than the expected profit what others are earning. If you are not able to reach to that profit, you don't have any goodwill. Second, location of business, and then the last second sentence, the value of goodwill is high at centrally located businesses. Next, period of business. See, older the firm, more goodwill. Newer the firm, less goodwill. Newest firm, zero goodwill. Today only if you start any business, do you have any goodwill? Zero goodwill. You will build the reputation over the years. So, like, older the firm, higher the reputation in the market. Market situation. Market situation means how many competitors do you have? More competitors, less goodwill. Less competitors, more goodwill, because your profits will be more. You don't have any competitors. So, underline. Monopoly, limited competition. Next, goodwill is high. Next sentence. Efficiency of managers also affect. If managers are efficient, more goodwill. Managers are inefficient, less goodwill. And then efficient management. Next sentence, increase the value of goodwill. Other special benefits. If your business has special benefits, like you have your trademarks, copyrights which are renowned in the market. Like you have a trademark, that Nike tick. So if you have that trademark which is renowned in the market, brand is created, image is created, your reputation is more. So if you have any such special benefits, then there is more goodwill. So, underline, company enjoys special benefits. Next sentence, like license, patents or trademarks. And next sentence, higher goodwill. If you have such special benefits, your goodwill will be more. Okay. Page 104, question 2. Explain the nature of goodwill. Nothing to be explained here. Nature of goodwill means you just write, I'll dictate it right down. Goodwill is an intangible asset Goodwill is an intangible asset which depends on profit earning capacity and investments of owner. Okay, it depends on two things, profit earning capacity as well as investments of the owner. If an owner has made more investments, capital employed is more. That will also affect the value of goodwill. Question 3. Explain the simple average method for the valuation of goodwill. So directly from the textbook, and we have already seen that. Mark page 90. Next page 92. Question 4 is there on page 92. Question 5 is there on page 94. And 6 is there on page 97. the chapter is? Any confusion in this? Close your textbooks and ask the MCQs, then we'll take up the next chapter. Close the textbooks, give it in the bag. All of you close the textbooks, give it in the bag. Baba. Okay. Hit. Goodwill is dash where individual skill is important. Goodwill is dash when individual skill is important. What is goodwill when individual skill is important, Valerie?
Yes.
Sit down. Why are you taking so much time? Why? You had that confusion, right? Why you say that goodwill is less when individual skill is important? Suppose there is a goodwill that I am teaching accounts. There is an individual skill. There is a specific method of teaching. So goodwill is there of teaching account. Now suppose tomorrow Ravlani says that I want to start teaching accounts. Can I transfer my goodwill to him? I am not providing any product. It's not any pizza or Domino's or burger where I can tell this is the standardized methods I have. You use this methods and product will come same. So here, because there is a specific skill involved, the goodwill is less. Amitabh Bachchan is an actor. If we talk about his acting skills, goodwill is less because that skills he cannot transfer to others. The reason why goodwill is less when skill is important is it cannot be transferred to others. Did anyone of you understand this portion? If you are providing any product, goodwill will always be more. Because production of a product can be done at various places. But if it is individually dependent service, then the skill cannot be transferred. So the goodwill is less.
So why then it can be zero?
Yes?
Zero.
It cannot be exactly zero. If he wants to teach, he is taking up with my lectures, he can try to replicate that. So if I start anywhere else in the name, he says I am also Vijay Verma only, and he starts the business in that name. Goodwill will not be zero because some skills he can learn by attending the same lectures also. So it will not be exactly zero, but it will be less. Is everyone clear with this? Next. Me. Goodwill is which type of asset? Intangible. Disha. Goodwill depends on which aspect?
Prestige.
Goodwill depends on which aspect?
Future invest.
Future what? That is 20 times. Swara, goodwill depends on future profits. Future maintainable profits, not investment. It depends on future maintainable profits. Kushali, goodwill is the financial value of prestige of business. Bhasha, super profit means there is a goodwill by capitalization method. I am asking the formula of super profit. Asta?
The actual, the average profit minus expected.
Yes. Average profits minus expected profits. Mewadi. Which method is appropriate when computation of goodwill every year profit is increasing? Weighted average method. And Akanksha, expected profit is equal to?
Profit into
Expected profits is equal to? Krishna? Very nice. Capital employed into expected rate of